lovely people, and welcome back to Yoga with Kate. I hope you're all fit and well. Namaste to you all. Welcome to today's class, which is going to be a 10-minute morning meditation. As you can see, we're outside in my beautiful garden, sucking up the energy from the sun and the trees. As always in meditation, don't overthink it. It's about relaxing, setting your intentions for a lovely, positive day. Right, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so make sure you're sitting comfortably or lying down, whatever's your preference for this lovely morning meditation. So as always, we're just going to start off by making sure we're not holding on to any tension in our shoulders. So we're just going to start off with some lovely shoulder rolls, rolling them back and down. Just a few of those as it's the morning to make sure we're not holding on to any tension. And release them back down. So with your hands, popping them on either leg, or if you're lying down, pop them on your stomach, just make sure you're comfortable. So we're just going to take some time connecting with our breath now. It calms our central nervous system. So starting off, taking some nice big inhales, exhales through your nostrils. And again, nice big inhale. And exhaling. A few more of those, inhaling. Exhaling. And again, inhaling. Exhaling. Okay, so we should be feeling nice and relaxed. Try and keep with those lovely deep breaths throughout our morning meditation. So we're going to close our eyes now. And we're just going to focus on setting a nice intention for our practice. So whatever that may be, just making a nice positive energy for the rest of the day. Or just learning to be kind to yourself. Whatever it is that's personal to you, just make that connection now. Okay, so we're going to take our journey inwards. I like to keep my eyes closed. It's completely up to you whether you do or you don't. So we're going to start with our head now. So we're just going to make sure every muscle in our face, our jaw, and our eyelids are relaxed. So we're just going to deep breathe into those areas. And just relax. If you can, you're going to focus your attention just on your forehead, just in between your eyes, and focus on that chakra. Feel deep breath deepening, everything lovely and relaxed. Okay, from here we're going to go down to our arms, all the way down to those arms, wrists, hands, fingertips. Fingers are lovely and relaxed. Fingers should be naturally curled. You should feel a nice warmth of energy in the ends of your fingertips. Yet again, focusing the energy on the arms now. If any thoughts come into your mind about your day, just let them float in and float out again. Just focus on releasing that breath, nice and relaxed. So we're now going to take our attention around to our heart, our Anahata chakra. And focus on breathing deeply, nice energy into your heart area. Yet again, any thoughts come in your mind, just let them come in and release them and let them float out again. So bringing our attention to our heart, our Anahata chakra. Okay, so we're now focusing our attention on our abdominal area, just below your navel, and just focusing on that point, breathing in, nice deep breaths. And each time you exhale, just releasing any tension from your body. Make sure your shoulders nice and relaxed, body feeling a little bit heavier. Now we're going to draw the energy round to our spine where the Kundalini energy is. Yet again, breathing into your spine. You might see some colours here. If you've got your eyes closed, just focusing on that breath and releasing. Now we're drawing the attention away from the spine. We're taking it to the hips and the thighs, the top part of the leg, breathing into those areas. Connecting with your body now. We're going to focus on our calves, so focus on those lower parts of those legs. And now we're going to draw our attention down to our feet. So important to ground your feet to the earth. And nice deep breaths. So now in your mind, I want you to try and connect that energy running all the way from the crown of your head, all the way around your body, right down to those toes. I see a nice circular motion, those arteries expanding with lovely oxygenated blood, giving you life force and energy. Just going to still our breath now, relax everything. See it again now. This is just a short morning meditation to enable you to start your day. We're going to bring some more awareness back to our body and our senses. So yet again, it's a good time to do some affirmations about your day and also set those lovely positive intentions. My intention is I'm going to be kind to myself today and just be. So we're going to focus now on bringing our body and consciousness back to the present. And waking ourselves up, waking our consciousness up by taking some deeper inhalations and exhalations. Gently going to open our gaze, open our eyes. Keep the shoulders relaxed. And just stay there. Okay, so we're going to bring some very gentle movement back to our body now. Just by rolling those shoulders again back and down. And keep them pushed down. We're gently just going to turn our head from side to side. Then we're going to take our hands into prayer over our Anahata chakra and just stay there for a few breaths. And we now feel ready to start our day. So thank you very much for joining me for this morning meditation outside. I really hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day and take care of yourselves. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how you got on and how you felt for the rest of your day. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I greatly appreciate it if you did. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care of yourselves. Om Shanti, which is peace.